Alright, hey guys, good morning, and welcome to Forex Trading, your trading group. I'm Mark, aka CramFX, and my partner's Cash, and we're here to teach you guys everything day trading in these markets to start making you profitable on a daily basis. A quick disclaimer, we're not a buy or sell channel. Let me repeat that, we are not a buy or sell channel. We use technical and fundamental analysis to find potential opportunities in these markets to bank pips, which we then convert into money. Okay, so if you guys are looking for someone who's going to tell you to buy now or sell now, you are on the wrong stream. But if you're looking for someone who's going to teach you how to trade these markets the right way, and of course if you're looking to learn the Forex strategy life, then stick around guys, because that's exactly what we're going to do. Alright, give me a quick second. I am going to just put up a message on the chat. Market. Okay. Got it. Okay, and also that being said, we're not financial advisors, you guys. We're not financial advisors, okay? So any trades that you take upon yourself. Don't be risking more than 0.5% or 1% on any given trade at any given time. Cash and I have been trading these markets for the past 8 years. We've been doing it live in front of you guys for the past 1 year. We're purely an educational channel, so if anyone over here is expecting us to tell you all when to buy and sell, kindly get off the stream, because that's not the kind of stuff that's going to be going on the Zoom call. Okay, you guys can see where we have our levels marked out. You can see how we like to enter, and yes, y'all could enter in with us, but by no means are we screaming buy or sell. Okay, I just want to put that out there. I hope you guys have had a great weekend. I'm going to be taking feelers today, you guys. I had one hell of a London session today. CashFX absolutely killed the markets, and it was intense. I made about, well, I'm not going to speak in terms of money. I had 3 nice positions, caught about 14 pips on each of them, and yeah, I'm pretty much done trading for the day. All right, I'm just here for you guys, so we're gonna see what comes our way, and I personally am at least gonna try to trade with the intention of learning today rather than really just trying to make money. All right, because I've made my pips and my money for the day. Okay, all of that being said, I'm gonna now start to share my screen with you guys real quick. Cram coded out on London. Thank you, man. It was all cash. All I did was hit buy and sell. Okay, I hope you guys see my screen now. Alright, first things first. One-on-ones, I want you guys to notice this, okay? Flag, distribution, break, flag, distribution, okay? Structure, structure. The ones that had to understood that. Alright, so now let's see what price wants to do. Excuse me. And these are the indices. Okay. Potential break off the 50 moving to the downside. So what do our positions look like? Let's break that down as well. Let me just make sure we have everything covered. Okay, straight up, I'm not going to be trading within this zone, you guys. I don't like the zone in case the sales want to come in, so I'm going to wait for the break of our demand, and we can catch a move potentially to the downside. Where are my buys going to be at for Nasdaq? My buys are going to be up above this region. Okay, and of course you have a small zone fill there, and then if price wants to push even higher, you'll know that you'll have room to push up to the supply. Okay, and what are we looking at on the dirty? Okay, zone fill possible right there, so that'd be selling into some demand that we're going to face somewhere down in this region. And one-on-ones, if you want a quick scalp, you'll know where it's at. We have a nice quick scalp in that region, 30 pips, not bad at all. Break a structure up above there. Okay, I'm going to put this now. For now, I'm going to put this here. Okay, and if you're wondering where your stop loss should be, keep wondering. Okay, because you guys need to be putting in your stop losses yourself based off of structure. You could have a nice tight stop loss for the buys up here, and this region as your stop loss for the sells. Okay, but it really depends on your risk and money management. Cool. Goldilocks, again, like we said, not too much of a fill here, about 22 pips and about 22 pips both ways. It's up to you guys if y'all want to get into those aggressive scalps. If not, you're gonna wait for price to break, and of course you're gonna wait for price to break. But listen, the ones that have done at least 3 sessions with me, we've already spoken about layering, we've already spoken about all of that good stuff, so know that y'all could trade within the zone as well. Okay, I'm gonna get to the chat real quick. What's up, you guys? What's up, what's up, what's up? Good morning, Karan. Good morning, Zero. 48 people. Why do we have only 48 people today? That is odd, but it is what it is. Listen, nothing's gonna stop me from doing these streams for you guys. Nothing's gonna stop Cash, irrespective of whether people turn up or not. We're still gonna make our money. The ones that come, you guys are lucky. Okay. After from London. London was a killer. It absolutely was. JJ, my man, I saw you banking some. Hello, sir. I'm new here. First time. Welcome, Mohammed Saifullah. Welcome to Forex Trading. Watch what we do. Take it easy. Spectate. And when you feel confident, that's when you could hop on and join us. Okay, what's up, Bharat? Hi. Hi, Emily. Hi, Ben Kingsley. JJ, Keon. Good evening, guys. What's up? What's up? What's up? Okay. A little bit of an impulse. So what are we looking for potentially for the people that are new on here? It's simple. Okay. It's simple. We're looking for a break. All right. We're looking for a retest, and we're looking for a rejection and a break. That's structure. Okay. This trade will be triggered when this candle closes in our box. So we'll know in the next minute and 12. Okay, maybe a little bit, just maybe. Okay, these don't work out, but maybe we're starting to build a little bit of an inverse head and shoulders on the strength indicator as well. Okay, let's do this. All right, I like the level we're at right now. Let's look at something like that for nasty. Okay. If you guys are wondering why I switched that down here, because we're trying to cross the 50. Okay, we try to cross that 50. This inverse head and shoulders could flourish through, and we could be looking to get our move up to the 70. Okay, so this looks like a double top to me. What this also tells me is we definitely have some supply coming in here as well. Okay, so be mindful, be careful, and there's going to be some demand that's gonna be sitting right in this region down here. So please be mindful, guys. If you're in on this for the impulse, take your TP as soon as we hit that region up there. Okay. Cool. And gold is being gold right now. Do we have any people on YouTube? What's up, people on YouTube? Hello, Salam. Hi, Mr. Shazi. Hey, Kram, can you just give a brief on how you mark the support and resistance? We basically start from the higher time frame, so we work our way from the daily time frame down to the 5-minute time frame where we scalp these markets, and we're just looking for key levels, the highs and the lows, and just areas that have good flips from support to resistance and areas with the most touches. Al-Ghazali and day minutes still on one resistance. There you go. I answered your question. Okay. 53 people on Zoom. Disappointing number. Not gonna lie. It's been close to a year that we've been doing this. But yeah, I guess people are moody. It is what it is. Okay. Like I said, we're still gonna come here. We're still gonna make our money. It doesn't matter if we have 5 people on or we have 100 people on. It really doesn't make a difference to Cash and myself. We're still gonna do what we do. Okay, and the same thing applies here. You want price to close, retest, and push. Now, technically, we did kind of have a little close over there, and then we had a nice little break retest to the downside. As you can see, the previous level of support that's sitting right here. Then, even if you would have entered in here, you should be running by about 10 pips. How long will this be free? Till we want it to. The second we don't, it won't be free no more. All right. It's been free for the past 1 year, and yeah, it's still free as we speak. But yeah, it is what it is, guys. We're here to build a business and to teach you guys. Okay. I wouldn't mind this scalp as well, okay? Just letting y'all know in case you want to start pushing down. There's a nice 23 pip scalp that's sitting right here. And if we break past this supply, guys, I see a nice little bullish move potentially coming into Goldie. Okay, looking good. Let's see. Let's take a quick look at the Scalper Pro. Where's it at? Okay, US 30, NASDAQ, gold, perfect. Everything as of right now, as we can see, is trying to prime to the upside. Okay, NASDAQ as well, trying to push to the upside. And gold, again, good moves so far. Okay. Again, I'm going to be trading really small today. I have no reason to trade any bigger. The ones that were on London. You guys saw what I did for London. All right, so I'm really happy with my pips for the day. Look at that. Anyone in on NASDAQ right now? Anyone in on NASDAQ? Please tell me somebody from my one-on-ones. I'm sure there's at least one person out here that entered in on that beautiful retest. Because if you got in on that retest rejection, you should be running 17 pips on this move right now. I'm in. Awesome, Ali. Connor is in. Lovely. I'm in on NASDAQ. Lovely. I got him with a nice Corolla. Awesome, you guys. Lovely. Good job, Aaron. Great. Okay. Liquidate. We do have some. Listen, if you guys pulled out 17 pips, don't be greedy. Take your position out. We're super close to market open. Leave a runner running on break even. All right. If you're entered in over here, like I said, you should be running 17. Say your spreads are about 2 pips, 14, 15 pips, no problem. Okay. So take that out and leave the rest running on break even. All right. We've got market open in the next 1 minute. Market open in 1 minute, you guys. Look at the drop coming down on the dirty. All right, I want to take a look at the dirty. Okay, look at that. Nasty's freaking pushing, you guys. I love it. Beautiful on NASDAQ. All right, we're going to have the indices open. Be careful, guys. Don't go too crazy, all right? Okay. I have an order set up for NASDAQ, all right, for a zone fill in case they want to give that to us in the next 18 seconds. Small position, nothing too big, like I told you. And let's see if it gets triggered. It gets triggered. We do have the EMA that's sitting up there. All right, market open in 8 seconds. So we really need to break past that. We could get that zone fill, or they're just going to start to push to the downside, and we could start looking for something like this. This is market open, you guys. Let's get it. Okay. Boom. I just pulled out. I just pulled out 10 pips. 10 pips. I caught 10 freaking pips again, and done. All right. I just got 10 pips on the break of that candle up to our EMA, as you can see. That was my TP. We hit that EMA, and now we're starting to push up. All right. Like I said, I'm not looking for too much today. I just pulled out 1710 on $100 a pip. Sorry, on 120 bucks a pip. Okay, wick fill. Now we're starting to push down. This is the power of scalping. All right, we get in for the wick fills, we get in for the impulses, we do everything that you can imagine us to do. All right, people like to call us aggressive scalpers. So be it. All right. 120 on a feeler for crowd. What a baller. Beautiful move, guys. Beautiful move. I like it. Let's see what the continuations want to do. Guys, I'm letting you all know I'm not getting in on any more trades. No more trades for me. I'll stick around for the next couple of minutes for you guys. But I have... Let me mute YouTube for a second. Okay. I muted YouTube. And I have... Guys, like I said, I was in with $300 a pip for DAX. I made 14 pips on 300. And I made about 10 pips on 120 bucks a pip. All right, so do the math. I am good for the day. Okay. Sorry about that, YouTube. I was talking to our private Zoom members. Space, my man, what's up, buddy? How's it going? How are you doing? Are you still on vacation or are you back yet? Trying out FTMO today? Best of luck. Let me know how it goes, okay? I'll message you after the stream, brother. I want an update on their spreads. Also trying out FTMO. Alright, guys. Best of luck with it. Don't worry. Listen, a lot of people have been asking our opinion on the situation, clearly. It looks like MFF is... You guys get it. Alright, I'm on YouTube. I don't want to... Alright, thank you for whoever is annotating on my screen. I appreciate you. God bless you. Okay, and yeah, like I was saying, it seems like MFF is pretty screwed up. Doesn't seem like they're coming back anytime soon. So we're gonna have to see how it plays out. Cash and I are not jumping in on anything. Listen, if you guys think you're affected, we are just as affected as y'all, okay? Pity us, pity people that didn't pull out profits and that were compounding their accounts up, because we are the ones that are truly screwed in this whole ordeal that's taking place right now, okay? I understand people that were just pulling out their profits as well. You guys have, well, technically you're at break even because the live traders have already received their money back. It's the ones that didn't clear the challenge yet and the ones that were compounding their accounts up that are actually really affected by this, okay? So trust me when I say this, I know it hurts because we're part of this too, and it hurts us as well, but it is what it is, you guys. These markets, they don't owe us shit. The brokers are there to screw with us. They're there to make money. And that's exactly what they're going to do. All right, now with money, if them making money leads to them also facing jail time, that's on them. All right, we don't need to be affected by the whole situation. Keep your head high, keep moving forward, and for now, FTMO is the one. Cash and I are still doing research on the funded pips, and there's so many freaking prop firms out there, but yeah, we're the fund trader and all of that good stuff, so we're just making sure before we advertise anything to you guys. Okay, so I guess people have already made their money because quite a few people just left the stream on Zoom. Yes, FTMO is one of the OGs in the game. All right, and they're also the cream, which is why they're one of the most expensive. You guys will be fine with FTMO for now. All right, Space, once you guys, give me a second. Sorry guys, I've got a bad throat. Space, once you're in, just hit me up, okay, bro? Give me an update on those spreads. Okay, look at that. Now, just maybe, NASDAQ is starting to prime towards the downside. They look good for now. Good, good, good. I remember trading FTMO and their spreads being horrible back in 2019, which is why I stepped out of FTMO, and MFF was brand new then. It was the new kid on the block, but I've been with MFF since. Got to check the slippage. It's most certainly going to be better than MFF, right? So many of you guys, you all remember? On the prop firm, so many of y'all used to face those major issues with the slippage. Turns out, it was pretty fucked up, okay? Excuse my language, but it was. And it should somewhere be a little bit of a confidence boost for you guys, knowing that despite trading through those dirty antics of your broker, you're still, and if you were still profitable, pat on your back and just imagine how it's going to be when you are with a broker that does you right, okay? They screwed us. Tell me about it, buddy. Can you please explain the gold setup? Sure. This nice little double top, okay? And we have some demand that's sitting over here. Break of this pushes us down here. If we hold over here, we're going to push back up and we can start to look to buy the market. But if we get this move and more, we could push more to the downside. And just like there's demand sitting here, there's also some supply sitting here. Nice breaker structure to the upside would come in over here, and you could be looking to test out these highs at your daily resistance, which also happens to be the daily high. Okay, is anyone in any trades? Like I said, I'm not taking anything more. I'm happy. Look at that, US 30. That double top starting to look good. I'm not gonna lie on the dirty. Be careful, you guys. 3.5 minutes to go for this candle to close. Alright, if you guys are going to be getting in on any sort of impulses, either be quick or make sure your position's really tiny. Okay, let's take a look at the Scalper Pro real quick. Okay, nothing's oversold as of right now. It does look like we're trying to cross the 50 to the upside. I think we can get this zone fill down here, but I do feel we'll start to pick up some demand from here. So again, if you're going to get in on this and we close down here, you guys know where to liquidate your positions. Okay? Let's take a look at the EMAs as well. Alright, maybe they're priming up for a potential golden cross that could be coming into play. Okay, we've got to break past that guy. Do we have any fixed time traders over here? Do we have any fixed time traders? Or are we all spot traders over here? Hi, here for the first time. I have a question regarding USA strategy. Can I ask you? Sure, Shazad Khan, go ahead. Okay, so I'm guessing no fixed time traders over here. Look at that, the impulse on the dirty is potentially pushing down to hit TB at the daily region down there. Okay. Okay, Nasdaq pushing right back up, you guys, pushing right back up. They touched that zone, but maybe they want to fill it further. We're gonna have to see. 13 Pro Max 1 TB. Good morning, buddy. Alpha D-Gen, my man. What's up, brother? What's up? What is the best time to trade gold? Whenever you want, but you're going to get the most liquidity and volume in these markets when there's catalyst. What do I mean by catalyst? I mean market open, I mean news, I mean any sort of economic events. That's going to be the best time for you to be trading market open. That's going to be the best time for you to be trading any security. Till how much can we expect gold to go? Gold's not doing anything, so I'm not too sure what you're asking, but the boxes, right? If it closes up there, we could go till there. Closes down here, we could come down there. See you on the next session. Bye. Cheers, Ajay. Take it easy, brother. So my strategy, I look at the top and bottom between the red and the white line. If US 30 breaks any of the top or bottom line, follows 100 pips in that direction. I came across this pattern and I interpreted it correctly. Buddy, you're looking for shortcuts. That's a mistake. Okay? Listen, what we try to tell you guys is there's no strategy. There's no shortcut. And there's no way to see price break past the EMAs and you get the move. That's not going to happen. That'll work once, that'll work twice, but then you're basically just banking upon the indicators. What we do over here is we trade price action. We read every candle for what it is. We have our zones marked out for support and resistance. So we have our key levels marked out and we then use risk management to go with that. Okay, buddy? So don't fall into the trap. Also, you're using Heikin Ashi candles, which is not going to give you the true range of price. It's only going to give you the average price. We don't use Heikin Ashi. You could use whatever you'd like. There's really no issues. But again, like I said, don't be looking for a move that'll make you money. Try to understand price action. Try to understand the candles. Try to trade break of structure or the retracement from the structure, because that's when you will start to see success in these markets. Okay, do not chase the indicators, buddy. I just checked it out with resistance. Well, yes. Okay, now what is US 30 gonna do? The US 30 is maybe gonna pick up some buyers from here. Just like I told you guys, we are coming into some demand down in this region. Okay, maybe we're gonna start to pick up some buyers. If the buyers do step in, we could look at this, and if we want to push higher and be safer, we can look at that. Okay, Cash, are you on this call? Cash FX. Man, I don't feel like trading today, just watching. That's a good feeling to have. Okay, you are, babe. Okay, were you able to get in any trades, Cash? Okay, and there you go. US 30 starting to drop. Remember what I told you guys, that double bottom was starting to look good. If anyone entered in on that retest or the rejection, should be running by a couple of pips right now, my one-on-ones. I hope you guys entered in over here and have already exited this trade for about 25 pips. W on dirty, 20 pips, cheers, zero. My man got in on the retest. That's how you do it, all right? This is what we do here for you guys at Forex Trading every single trading day, twice every single trading day. All right, it's unreal to think that we do this for free. We've been doing this for a year, and we still continue to do this for you guys. Okay, all we ask for in return are some freaking lousy success stories and Twitter posts. I don't think that's too much to ask for. We have lives as well, but we've dedicated everything we have to Forex trading. I'm not even kidding. Cash and I were working through the week. Literally, we're working the weekends, we're working the week, we're doing everything we can to produce these streams for you guys. And you guys know the situation with the one-on-ones as well. I'm booked up until the mid of November at this point, and it's just gonna keep increasing and increasing and increasing. Okay, from the past 1 year, we have been giving it our all for you guys. Okay, go ahead, post up on success stories, and make sure to let people know what we're doing here at Forex Trading. Okay, awesome. Clean moves, great moves, lovely London session, lovely New York session as well. I didn't trade too much today. I just got on a smaller position. I caught about 12 pips, and I'm happy. I caught my 1450 pips on a nice fat Lambo for New York again. It's a great day. It's a great day. All right, I can't complain anymore. Look at that, US 30 still falling. Anyone still in on this guy? Anyone still banking on the dirty? Where are we going down to potentially? That region right there. Okay, if we have the momentum to break past, boom, we're pushing down. If this candle closes over here, expect price to again try to have a retest, a nice rejection from here, and maybe a continued push down to the downside. Okay, and if they don't close over here, they're going to start picking back support, and they're going to move back up to the 4H resistance. Gold, chop chop. Okay, but you guys have my levels for gold. What I'm going to tell you all to do with gold now is, after the stream, if we happen to break that 1928 region, okay, right there, that's going to be your sells to the downside. If you happen to break the 1935 region roundabout, okay, let's look at 1935 right there. If you happen to break that, you have a nice little bullish move that could be coming in. Okay, do we have any questions, you guys? Because I am going to call it a session. Also, for the one-on-ones, we're going to close off bookings soon. Like I said, I am booked till November. There are a few bookings, and also for the ones that are already on the one-on-ones, I know a lot of you guys want extensions. So if you all want to get those extensions done, now would be the time to get it done, guys. Get in touch with me because I'm closing it off. I am taking a complete off from the one-on-ones from mid December to mid-Jan, which means there are basically slots worth 1 more month left. All right, because I'm already booked till mid-November, and I'm doing no one-on-ones from the 15th of December to the 15th of Jan. Okay, so VDT, how to book a one-on-one? Go ahead on our Discord server and just say hi. Can you give me the information on the one-on-ones on the general chat, and Cash FX, my partner, will message you with the necessary details. Okay, VDT, or you could just direct message me your Discord ID right now as well. Look at that, they're really starting to push back up. Okay, and yes, guys, now's the time. If I want to get booked up, make sure you all get booked up, because I'm gonna have to see if I'm even doing this from Jan onwards. When I say doing this, I'm talking about the one-on-ones. Okay, I really don't know. It's taken up too much of my time in the past 1 year, and I want to concentrate more on bettering myself as a trader sharpening my skills even more. And I don't think I'm gonna. I mean, of course, I'm still gonna be here to teach you guys and all of that good stuff, but I can't give it as much time as I am right now and as I have been for the past year. Okay, so now's your chance. Barely, maybe 4 or 5 slots left, because if 5 people take the 5 session package, that's gonna cover me up for a month. All right, so let me know. Now's your time. The one-on-ones will probably still happen, but we may just hire someone else to do it, something of that sort. But as of right now, this is it. Okay, guys, if you still have to book, yeah, missing out, life-changing stuff. Appreciate you, Space, my man. Appreciate you. The one-on-ones are packed with value. Thank you so much. You guys are the sweetest. Listen, you OGs, you guys know it. All right. I don't hide nothing from you guys. There's no secrets to what we do. Um, there's literally no secrets to what we do. We try to be as transparent as we can with you guys, and a lot of people have started making a shit ton of money after they've done the one-on-ones. It's ridiculous to see that I had absolute beginners that had come on to the sessions, and by the end of the course, some of them are still on the course. They've started to become profitable. It's insane to think about it. I'm so glad that we were able to bring that change in your lives. But guys, I need to take things to the next level for myself. Both Cash and I, we're extremely happy and we're extremely fortunate to be where we are. But it's now time to start focusing on us, all right? Because trust me when I say this, when we go to the next level, you guys will come to the next level with us, all right? So I don't want us to stagnate, and I want us to keep growing so that we can keep making you guys grow with us here at Forex Trading as well. And before we know it, from the army of millionaires, we're gonna become the goddamn army of billionaires. All right, guys? Best thing is it's all tailored to you. Absolutely, man. We customize it for you guys. Time for the evolution. Yes, sir. Exactly. We must continue to support you. Thank you so much, Alpha DJ. Yes, we can. Emily, message Cash. She'll fit you in for this weekend. Alright, guys. Do we have any questions, or can I call it a session? Lovely moves. Again, you know what? Zoom, stay on the call. I'm going to end YouTube and I'm going to be back. YouTube, thank you guys so much. I really appreciate y'all. Go ahead and make sure to click the link in our description. Join our Discord server. It's absolutely free. We're not charging you nothing, like a lot of these groups that do what we do a lot worse, but they still charge you $500, $700, $800 a month. Okay, so go ahead, click the free link in our description, join our server, and hop on to the Zoom call that's happening simultaneously. Okay, you guys are most definitely experiencing a latency issue right now on YouTube. There is a lag because it's streaming on YouTube, but we have the Zoom call that's happening simultaneously. Hop on, it's free. All right, thank you, YouTube. I appreciate you guys. I will see you guys tomorrow for London and for New York. I'm Mark, aka CramFX. My partner's Cash and Millzone, and this is Forex Trading YouTube. Signing out. See you guys tomorrow. Okay. VD. Okay. YouTube's out of the picture. Solid day, you guys. Solid day. I love it. We had some nice moves. Look at US 30, man. We caught all of this. That you guys see this. Okay. I know that I have a lot of people from the one-on-ones on this call right now. Even though there are 37 of you, a lot of you guys are from my one-on-ones. Okay? And guys, this setup literally is taught in session 1. Do you guys know that? Literally. What do we talk about in session 1? We talk about all the basics. We talk about support, resistance, the trends, and the trend reversal patterns, pips, lots, the entry-exit strategy. That's usually what I cover in session 1, right? But even if you did session 1 with me, you should have been able to bank this. Why? It's as clear as day, right? We had a nice little double top over here, nice little zone of demand that we built over here, broke that demand, retested and pushed back down, gave you a nice beautiful move of 73 pips, you guys. 73 goddamn pips. That's unreal to me. I'm not even gonna lie. Okay? Even if you had your feeler entry over here, so this could have been feeler, close, the trade is now triggered, retest, okay? This could have been your Corolla entry, rejection, and this region or this region could have been your nice Lambo entry, guys. And y'all, literally, if y'all had a 15 or a 20 pip stop loss, you wouldn't have ever gotten stopped out on this and you would nicely be running. Literally, let's calculate this region, right? 50 pips and all you'd have to risk would practically be 10 pips. That's a 1:5 risk to reward ratio. Guys, at the end of the day, there's no textbook way to trade these markets. You guys need to realize and you'll need to understand that you'll have to adapt with every trade. Okay? It was a beautiful move, and the end goal has to be to increase the opportunity. It has to be to maximize the opportunity in front of you. Risk the least, make the most. Risk the least, make the most. That way, even when you take an L, it's not going to wipe away all your profits. I hope that makes sense to you guys. Okay? If you catch 73 pips, you're done for the whole month, not the day. Absolutely, brother. Literally. My day today was 12 pips for London and 14 pips for London and 12 pips for New York. Literally. I'm done. 25, 26 pips in a day and I am sorted. Even if I don't trade for the rest of the week, I'm okay. You know what I mean? Because my account is still up and US 30 is still down. Alright, they're still falling. But anyway, guys, this was a lovely session. All my OGs on here, make sure to go on and post up on success stories, you guys. Let people know what we're doing. Let these moves continue to happen. I hope you guys have made your pips. It was a beautiful, beautiful day today. And again, from the people that haven't joined up on the one-on-ones, I mean it. This is the final chance. I'm gonna be done with this, and how much ever I love doing the one-on-ones, you guys, it's how do I put it without being rude? It's gotten too monotonous for me at this point. I think that's what it is, right? Even though I customize the sessions for you guys to your current understanding, it's still for me, I've been doing it 3 times a day for the past 1 year, so it's gotten a bit too much, and I really need to start concentrating on cash and my own trading for now, because like I said, it's time to push that switch, it's time to move up a notch, and it's time to become and create the army of billionaires now. Okay, you guys? So if y'all want to get that done, now's the time. Don't complain later, because like I said, I will not be handling it in the next month or so. Okay, look at gold. Thank you for letting me know. Shahrukh Nawaz, thank you. Wow, bro, your name is literally Shahrukh and Nawaz in one name. I love that. I'm an actor myself, so I've got to appreciate that. Good stuff. For the non-Indians over here, Shah Rukh Khan and Nawazuddin Siddiqui are very famous actors from India. Okay, let's see if they want to retest over there. Alright guys, I'm going to stay on for the next minute or two. Okay, let's see. Nice little retest, nice little break. Thanks, Cram. Great session. Brilliant learning. Back on my demo. Lovely hearing that, Neha. Okay, retest. Let's take a look at... okay. I don't like this. I'm not going to lie. My bad, guys. I did not see the solid bullish divergence coming in. Yes, they could still sell off. No problem. But y'all know me. Y'all know me. Alright? I like to have all the confluences align in order for me to get into any sort of trades. Alright, that doesn't mean this is not going to sell off. It absolutely could still sell off, but the divergence is what would sort of keep me away from getting into this trade. Okay, and again, I don't have to trade this, but if you guys are, make sure you're having nice tight stop losses. Okay, if you're going to get in on this break or on that rejection, don't have a stop loss larger than that, 15 pips. Okay, because thank you so much, Alpha DJ, my man. I appreciate you. 15 pips is a good stop loss for this, nice and tight. Adjust your risk management accordingly, and try to risk 15, okay, and try to make at least 30, right? So let's try to get down to at least that region in case you want the move to play out. All right, thank you guys so much. I really appreciate each and every one of y'all. Y'all know it. I am going to be back for y'all tomorrow. Cash is going to be doing London for y'all as well, and Cash hasn't been keeping too well, you guys. Give her all the love that y'all can, because the truth is, she, despite however she feels, she's always here trying to make these streams for you guys. Literally, I have to tell her that, babe, don't do it. It's fine. I'll take care of it. And she's like, no, people are expecting me. People want me there, and I am gonna do it. All right. So make sure that you guys go ahead and post up for her as well. That woman works her ass off for you guys. Like I said, we're completely dedicated to Forex trading. Doesn't matter if we have 30 people on the call. Doesn't matter if we have a freaking 100 or a freaking 1,000 people on the call. We're still gonna always give you guys everything, and we'll always promise to give you guys value. All right. Thank you guys so much. Appreciate each and every one of y'all. Take it easy. I'm Mark, aka CramFX. My partner's Cash and Millzone, and this is Forex Trading. Love you, my man. Space. Best of luck with FTMO. I'll talk with you soon, alright? I need updates from you, Space. Cheers, you guys. Take it easy. I will talk to y'all tomorrow. Bye. Have a good one, guys. Bye.